first we consider the walls that go all the way around: red, gray, blue, and yellow, and green. The area of the gray and green are 20 by 7, and that's where we get the 20 by 7 twice. Once for the gray, once for the green. Then consider the blue and the red one, whose dimensions are 7 by 18, both of them. 7 times 18 is their area, and the blue and the red make 2 of those rectangles. That takes care of this term. Next, we want to find the area of this inside wall, which is basically the wall of a cylinder. It's like the soup can label that goes around the side. And that's going to be the circumference of the circle times the height, which is 7. That's where this term comes from. Because the circle's radius is 8, and the height of that wall is 7. You can see here that the diameter is 16. That's why we know the radius of the circle is 8. So 2 pi times 8 is the circumference of that circle, and 7 is the height. All right, so well, when we do all this, the only thing we're missing now is this light blue area on top and bottom. In other words, this black shaded region, it's on the top and the bottom, so we have to add that on. So they did that, or they tried to do that by doing this part, but there's supposedly a mistake with this work. Let's figure out what it is. So the entire rectangle was 20 by 18. So that's the area of that entire black region. And if we double it, we'll have the bottom one as well. So we're adding that, but then we have to subtract the circles because there's the hole that is not part of the black rectangle or the red rectangle. So let's just do this for one surface, the top surface. So we've got the top rectangle. We'll subtract the circle that we don't want, which is pi times radius squared. And this will be the area of the top face, and if you double it, that'll be the area of the one on the bottom as well. So we should be adding this to our expression on the bottom. And how's that different than what they did? They forgot to subtract the circle. So there's their mistake. That should be a subtraction sign. And here's the correct answer, which reduces to, for an exact answer of 1252 plus 48 pi, or about 1402.8 square feet.